I found someone new, treats me better.
Look, he's tired.
Get it in the throat again.
Come here.
I'm gonna go over here.
Come here. You're not. Hey. Come here. Over here. Come on. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Now, drop it. Be nice. Drop it. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Go get it. I got my eye on it, so.
Hey, he's got it.
Oh boy. Go.
He can't jump that, man. That's crazy.
Go. He is so tired right now.
Mm. He's only been out here like 10 minutes.
Tell him to come through this.
Come here.
Go.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come. Like an ATV or a